Hello, teacher. Good morning. This is my English job. The best quality that a son or a daughter can have towards their parents is love and affection towards them. Since this brings with a fraternal union that will always be present. It also gives us mutual respect and great trust that brings us openness to dialogue. Likewise, love in the home is vital to create a good atmosphere of coexistence. Being with our children at all times provides us with stability at home, as it is important for the different stage of our children's development. The best gift we can give our children is education, because this is where their true future lies. In conclusion, children are the true reflection of their parents, above all the example that is given to them. Thank you very much.